Welcome to Kim Yin Yoga. Today's practice allows us to hear messages from the body, perfect for the new year of the fires. We begin today lying flat on the back. Most of today's practice will be in Savasana as we scan for messages from the body. But to start out, we're going to ease into a spinal twist, left and right, to relax all the tension in the body and the meridians. So take the right leg and you cross it over the left, and we're just going to collapse the legs over to the right. From here, we take some long, slow, deep breaths. And the aim is for our shoulder blades to be flush against the mat. But we don't worry if you're not there yet. Just long, slow, deep breaths in. Relaxing the hips, the thighs, the feet. Relaxing the ankles and the calves. Letting the spine gently twist to its own degree. Relax the shoulders, relax the arms, the fingertips, relax the skin of the face, and just follow your breath in and out. On the next exhale out, we're going to come back to square up the pelvis, lengthen the spine, and this time we're going to cross the left leg up and over the right. You can scoot your bum over to the right a bit to give yourself a little extra room. And then we're just going to collapse the knees down to the left. Shoulder blades aim to be flat against the mat. You might have your arms in cactus. Find what feels comfortable to you. And you can be looking straight up or tilting the head over to the right to complete the sense of twist. Again, we're going to take long, slow, deep breaths. With each inhale, breathing in energy up from the earth. And each exhale, allowing any tension, anxiety, or worry to melt down into the mat. One more deep breath in. And on the exhale out, come back, spine flat against the mat, square the hips. And we're going to stretch the legs out long, stretch the arms over the head, bring them down to your sides, and Wiggle-Asana. You know this one. The hips are shimmying left to right, the shoulders are loose, the hands are loose, the head is loose. The feet are fishtailing back and forth, back and forth. We take a deep breath in and let it out, slowly coming back to stillness. From here, you find your most comfortable Savasana, and as I guide you through the scan, listen for what the message might be. Starting with the head. Is there pain there? Is there pressure behind the eyes? Pain in the face? The question to ask is, where are you not being the boss? Where are you not taking control or command of your life? If there's a pain in the neck, stiffness there, ask, what are you resisting? Or who is resisting around you? If there's sensation in the collarbones, the shoulder, the scapula, arms, and fingertips, the best thing to ask is, what aren't you saying? Where is communication being disrupted in your life? Coming down to the stomach, tummy upsets. Are messages about love and nurturing? Are you letting it in? Are you giving it out? Any palpitations or sensations in the chest and heart any heaviness there. And we have to ask where you're being your most creative. Where are you bringing love and joy into your life? Next, focus on the small intestines. Here the message might be around assimilation and being discerning. Are you letting energy in that you don't want in your life? Now tune in to the back or any sensations in the kidneys or symptoms there. Where are you not feeling supported? When others aren't there for you, do you fully support yourself? Next, identify the pelvis, the large intestines, the reproductive organs. Do you feel a lack of intimacy or connection in your life? Are you free and easy to let go of past upsets? What do you think will help you release and move on? Next to the hips and thighs, where could you be more open to new possibilities, fresh ways of doing things and being in the world? Messages here are about moving forward. The knees, aches and pains in this region. You can ask, where can you be more flexible or more compassionate, more humble? What have you sacrificed to become untouchable, unharmable, undaunted? Now tune in to the shins and the ankles. Is there any sensation or a message coming through there? You might ask, what has gone out of circulation? What's been shelved or taken off the table that's incomplete? Or maybe something you're still longing to achieve or didn't feel like you had a strong enough unified voice in? What do you know about yourself that you have stopped honoring? Lastly, tune in to the feet and the toes for any sensations or activation there. The main question is, where do you need to have faith in the unknown future? Develop more compassion and more trust for life unfolding. As you allow these questions to rise, you don't have to answer them immediately. Just explore and listen without judgment. Listen with an open heart. When you're ready to rise, take a deep breath in. And on the exhale out, bring your feet up and roll gently, slowly to the front. I'm finding a comfortable cross-legged Sukhasana where I can open my arms up overhead, palms touch, and down into Anjali Mudra. Gratitude for this practice and for you joining me. Thank you so much. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the messages coming through. Namaste.